It really does matter what we train our brain to focus on, what to notice. For example, I think we've all had the experience of buying something and then noticing it everywhere. It was there even before, but now we just notice it. And let me even explain it even further. Let me show you something, and before I go into the explanation, think about what you see first. What do you see first? Do you see all of the brown leaves, all of the damage, all of the holes, everything like that? Or do you see the berries, that it's really actually happy, that the new growth is actually really happy, that there are so many berries all over the place? That's what I see. I also know the backstory, that this raspberry bush had a bad infestation, and that's why it's looking like this. I had to take drastic measures to fix it. But at the same time, to me, it's still beautiful because it's still happy. It has a bunch of berries, and the new growth is beautiful. So, what do you see?